Hello dear traders, my name is Daria Bobrova and you are watching a daily trading plan for April 10th. Yesterday the economic calendar was empty, but for today we have many events to trade on. Let's take a look. And we will start with the British data. At 11:30 MetaTrader time, the UK will release its manufacturing production and GDP growth figures. Up to now, forecasts for both indicators are weaker than the previous data. However, the GBP is quite strong. If the actual releases are greater than the forecast, the GBP will be supported even more. In case of the neutral or weaker readings, the British currency may lose its strength. However, for today, the most important event for the GBP is the European summit regarding the Brexit deal. Theresa May is going to ask to postpone the deadline for the exit. Up to now, it's scheduled for April 12th. However, she wants to postpone it to June 30th. If Theresa May succeeds, the British currency will be supported. In case of the fail, the GBP may suffer a lot. The European summit will take place at 19 MetaTrader time, so follow news to be up to date and be ready to a high volatility. Also for today we have data for the euro. At 14:45 MetaTrader time, the ECB will release its interest rate. However, there will be no change, of course, to the interest rate. Comments by Mr. Draghi will affect the euro a lot. Mr. Draghi will host the press conference at 15:30 MetaTrader time. Last time in March, the statement was quite dovish, and comments by Mr. Draghi were dovish that affected the European currency. This time, analysts expect the dovish tone again because of the negative focus for inflation level and economic growth. If Mr. Draghi sounds dovish, the euro may be under pressure. However, if he surprises with optimistic tone, the euro will be supported even more. And also at 15:30 MetaTrader time, we anticipate American data. CPI and core CPI levels will affect the USD. You see that forecasts are quite optimistic up to now. However, the actual release will affect the currency the most. So if the actual data outperforms forecast, the USD will be able to rise. In case of the neutral or weaker releases, the USD may suffer. Let's take a look at the technical side, and we will start with the Euro-USD pair. This pair is under big pressure today because we have the ECB meeting and inflation level for America. Both these events will affect the currency a lot. Up to now, you see that Euro-USD has been rising. However, yesterday the spinning top candlestick was formed. It signals the uncertainties about the further direction of the pair. So if the euro is not affected by the ECB meeting in a negative way, and the USD is not that strong, bulls will be able to push the pair towards 112.87. However, if the USD is encouraged by the inflation data and Mr. Draghi is dovish, the pair may suffer. The first support will lie at 112.49. In case of the cross of this level, the pair will slow down towards 112.15. What about the 1 hour chart? On the 1 hour chart, we see that the pair has tested the important level at 112.60 and managed to recover a little bit. So This level is important because it lies at 23.6 FIBA level. Moreover, we have 9 and 12 periods moving averages near 112.60, and also the trend line lies at this level. So the support is anticipated to be really strong. However, it may be broken in case of the negative news for the euro. If this level is broken, the next support will lie at 112.54. You see that previously the pair touched this level 2 times and managed to recover, so the support is also quite strong. And then we have 112.45 as the next important support level. It's 38.2 FIBA level. The 50.0 FIBA level will become the last important support for today. However, if the euro is strong and supported by Mr. Draghi comments, the pair will be able to recover. So bulls will push the pair up, and the first important level will lie near 112.71. You see that previously this level was touched 2 times. Then we have 112.78 because here we have the consolidation of the pair, and after that we have the level of 112.83. It's a 0 FIBA level, and also the pair touched this level before, and this level caused a reversal. In case of the breakthrough above 112.83, the pair will be able to rise towards 112.95. What about the Euro-CAD pair? Yesterday we discussed this pair, and we said that this signal of the reversal should be confirmed. The signal could be confirmed only if pair closed below the weekly pivot at 149.87. However, it did not happen, and as a result this signal was fake. Up to now the pair has been rising. However, the further direction will depend on the ECB meeting. We see that the first resistance lies at 150.16. This level is important on the 4-hour chart, and we will consider it later. Then the pair will have to cross the 50-day moving average at 150.32, and after that we can anticipate a rise towards 150.60. This level is important because previously the pair touched this level and the consolidation zone appeared. If euro is weak, the pair will turn around and will meet the first support at 149.87. As soon as this level is crossed, the pair will fall towards 149.48. What about the 4-hour chart? On the 4-hour chart, we see that the pair has been suffering. However, it has been supported by 3 moving averages. As soon as these moving averages are crossed, the pair will fall towards 149.87. It's the weekly pivot level. Bears need to pull the pair below this level to meet the next support at 149.70, and then we have the last support at 149.40. However, if bulls are stronger, the pair will break above 150.16, and the next resistance will lie at 150.48. As soon as this level is broken, we can anticipate a rise towards 150.73. And of course some words about the GBP USD pair. So today the British pound will be under big pressure and the European summit may cause high volatility, so be careful. The first level the pair needs to break on the daily chart is 130.72. Then the pair will meet the next resistance at 131.22, and after that we have the weekly pivot level at 131.58. However, if the GBP is under big pressure, the pair may turn around and the first support will lie at 129.75. Then we have the support at the weekly pivot level at 129.48. That's all for today. Follow these and other trading plans with ECB.